the couple and I am in the tower so far away and I'm going home now, so let's go play. I accidentally pooped in it and then pee. Mom? What, honey? Oh, I accidentally myself. Wish those shoes to the right hand and I put them on. Sure, that's okay, I'll just Come on.
Gawas?
Okay, let's go.
Gawas na ba kayo ba na ito lang? Dili ka magsakay?
It's okay.
Kaya dili. Dili po siya masakay. Graso. Tara, pagtawa na to.
Asa mo?
Isugoy.
Okay, just
Dili ka?
Naka-load?
Wala. Nalang ka download.
Be.
Ayaw kay flashlight ko na.
Ami?
Pag-ingat ka ha, dili niya mo nagbiyan ng mga ipadra.
Okay. Okay, now just wait. Look at something. Take this. There.
Nakita ka doon ako.
Put it on this. Just right there. With a toothbrush already. I'm done, Mom. Okay, so I'm gonna just. Okay, there. Wash my face. There. This. Circle. Okay, let's go. You have to go to sleep. Oh man. Hi, bye guys. Follow for part 2.